The car world is absolutely buzzing right now. There's a sense of electricity in the air as everyone waits for GM's next-generation V8. It's not just the gearheads and the die-hard fans, it's journalists, engineers, and even casual drivers who can't help but get swept up in the excitement. The anticipation is everywhere, and it feels like something big is about to happen. It's like waiting for a legendary band's new album to drop, but instead of music, it's raw horsepower and the promise of a new era in American performance. The tension is almost tangible. Everyone's counting down the days, speculating about what's coming next. Rumors, leaks, and wild speculation are swirling everywhere. Every conversation at the local garage, every post on social media, every whispered chat at the dealership, everyone's got a theory, and nobody wants to be left out of the loop. Then, out of nowhere, a grainy, almost cryptic photo of a new engine block hits the internet. It's blurry, it's low-res, but it's enough to set the entire automotive world on fire. Instantly, forums and group chats explode with theories, wild guesses, and heated debates. People are zooming in, analyzing every pixel, trying to decode what GM might be hiding. My phone blew up. Texts, calls, DMs. Everyone wanted to know when they could order it, what the specs were, and if I had any inside info. It was like being at the center of a storm. That's the power of the V8. It's not just an engine, it's a symbol of American culture, a piece of history, and a promise of freedom on the open road. For many, it's the heart and soul of what makes driving special. But after the leak, GM went completely silent. No hints, no teasers, just a wall of quiet from the company's headquarters. No flashy press release, no order books opening, not even a cryptic tweet, just crickets. The silence was deafening and it only fueled the speculation. Dealers had no info to share and fans were left hanging, refreshing their feeds and calling in for updates that never came. People started to wonder, was something wrong? Was the project in trouble or was GM just playing hard to get? The truth, it's all part of GM's plan. This isn't panic, it's strategy. They know exactly what they're doing and every move is calculated. GM's learned from rushed launches and broken promises in the past. They know the stakes are high, and they're determined not to repeat old mistakes. They're not releasing this V8 until it's absolutely perfect. Every bolt, every component, every test has to meet their highest standards. This quiet period isn't a sign of trouble, it's a sign of confidence. GM knows they have something special, and they're not afraid to take their time. They know what's under that cover is going to blow people away. The anticipation is building, and that's exactly how they want it. The longer the wait, the bigger the reveal. The crowd is growing, the buzz is louder, and the countdown is on. GM is playing the long game here, making every move count. They're not just building an engine, they're building anticipation, excitement, and a legacy. They're making sure this V8 is flawless before it ever hits the streets. Every test, every inspection, every late night in the lab is about delivering perfection. Sometimes, silence doesn't mean trouble, it means something big is coming. And when it finally arrives, it's going to be worth every second of the wait. Why the slowdown? It's a question on the minds of car enthusiasts and industry watchers alike. After years of rapid innovation and fierce competition, GM is taking a noticeably different approach. GM's using a new playbook, one that values patience and precision over speed. Instead of racing to be first, they're focused on getting it right. In the past, car companies rushed to be first, often with problems. The pressure to launch new models quickly led to mistakes and oversights. Early buyers became beta testers, dealing with recalls and glitches. GM's done with that. They've seen how costly and damaging those missteps can be, both for their reputation and for customer loyalty. This V8 is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about endurance, reliability, and long-term performance, not just making headlines on launch day. More testing, more validation, more discipline. Every component is scrutinized, every system double-checked, to ensure nothing is left to chance. They want this engine bulletproof from day one. That means investing extra time and resources now, so customers don't pay the price later. It's a lesson learned from past headaches, supply chain issues, software bugs, delays. GM knows that a single weak link can disrupt the whole chain. Now, GM's making sure factories, suppliers, and dealers are all ready. Every partner in the process is aligned before the first car rolls out. No more launch and fix, it's prepare and perfect. The goal is a seamless rollout, with fewer surprises and more satisfied customers. This careful approach shows respect for the customer. GM wants buyers to feel confident, not cautious. When they drive off the lot, GM's doing the hard work behind closed doors. The public may not see every test or meeting, but the results will speak for themselves. The wait might be tough, but it's the right move. Patience now means fewer headaches and happier customers in the future. Quality now means fewer problems later. It's a promise GM is determined to keep, even if it takes a little longer to deliver. In the end, it's about building trust that lasts. One car, one customer, and one careful decision at a time. There are 4 major reasons behind GM's methodical, measured pace. These aren't just minor hurdles, they're the foundation of a strategy designed to ensure long-term success, not just a quick win. Let's break down the pillars that are shaping the future of GM's next big launch. First, future-proof emissions. GM isn't just meeting today's regulations, they're anticipating tomorrow's. Engineers are running exhaustive tests, simulating stricter standards that could arrive in the next decade. This means rethinking engine design, exhaust systems, and even the software that manages emissions. The goal? To make sure their vehicles stay compliant and competitive, no matter how the rules evolve. Second, factory overhaul. Transforming a factory isn't just about swapping out old machines. GM is investing in cutting-edge robotics, retraining workers, and redesigning assembly lines from the ground up. Every step is scrutinized for efficiency and precision, so that when production ramps up, every car meets the highest standards. This overhaul is a massive, time-consuming effort, but it's essential for flawless assembly. Third, supplier readiness. GM relies on a vast network of suppliers, each responsible for critical components. Every partner must prove they can deliver parts that meet strict quality and volume requirements, often under tight deadlines. A single delay or defect can ripple through the entire process, so GM is working closely with suppliers, running audits, and building contingency plans to avoid any weak links. Fourth, market timing. Launching a new vehicle is about more than just the car. It's about making a statement. GM is carefully watching competitors, analyzing market trends, and choosing the perfect moment to debut. Should they reveal at a major auto show for maximum buzz, or host their own exclusive event? Should the first model be a rugged truck or a sleek sports car? Every decision is calculated for maximum impact and anticipation. These 4 pillars mean there are no shortcuts. Every department, every partner, and every process must be perfectly aligned. GM is orchestrating a rollout where quality, timing, and innovation all come together seamlessly. The ultimate goal? A launch that's not just smooth, but truly unforgettable. Every detail is scrutinized, every risk managed. That's why the wait is worth it, because when perfection is the target, patience is the price. GM is betting that this careful approach will set a new standard for the industry. This isn't just another engine, it's GM's legacy project. As the industry shifts to electric, this V8 is likely GM's last all-new mass-market V8. It's the grand finale of a century-long tradition. The pressure's on, it must be a masterpiece. This engine will power everything from Corvettes to Silverados to Escalades. It has to be versatile, powerful, and reliable. Profits from this V8 will fund GM's electric future. Its success is critical for the company's next chapter. The engineers know they're making history. This V8 has to be the best GM's ever built. No compromises. GM's silence isn't an accident, it's strategy. No early horsepower numbers, no torque figures, no hype. In the past, over-promising led to disappointment. Now, engineers can fine-tune without public pressure. The focus real-world performance, fuel economy, and durability. When specs are revealed, they'll be rock solid. Software validation is key. Modern engines are computers on wheels. GM's testing in every climate, every scenario. Fleets of test mules rack up miles to expose any weakness. Every part is inspected, every bug squashed. It's slow, expensive, but it guarantees reliability. What does all this mean for you? Reliability. No first-year glitches, no recalls, no endless software updates. Smooth ownership. Your car arrives on time, built right. Peace of mind. GM did the homework so you don't have to worry. This delay is respect for your investment. GM's eating the cost now so you don't pay later. The wait means a better, more satisfying vehicle. In the end, it's worth every minute. As 2026 begins, the mystery of GM's next V8 continues. The silence isn't doubt, it's discipline. GM's learned from the past and is committed to quality. This engine is the end of an era and the peak of V8 technology. They're pouring everything into making it a masterpiece. For V8 fans, the wait is tough, but it'll be worth it. When it arrives, it'll be strong, reliable, and legendary. GM's choosing the hard right over the easy wrong. The silence is strength, not weakness. When GM finally reveals this V8, it'll be one for the history books.